What is going on, Team Live Rich? My name is Joe, and if you're new to this channel, welcome to the team. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of my favorite and one of the most easiest ways to reach out to potentially new customers. And this is so perfect if you're new and you're starting out and you're scared to, get on the phone. You're scared to, just make that phone call, because I know it can be intimidating. So this is just a lesser way of making client outreach, scary. Because I'm not gonna lie, when I starting out this, I still hate it to this day. Honestly, I'm gonna be honest. I hate cold calling. It makes you feel nervous. It doesn't feel comfortable. I mean, cold calling is effective, but there's other methods where you don't have to put yourself in a position where you really feel uncomfortable like that. So today's method, I'm going to show you that. It's going to be one of my favorite ways. I'm going to show you exactly how. I'm going to give you the exact script I use, and it's super easy, and you can land a client honestly under 7 days if you do this consistently enough. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and hop onto my laptop or desktop. I haven't chose yet, and we're going to go straight into it. So stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome to my desktop. So without further ado, we're just going to go right into it. So first things first, I'm going to start off with the script I'm going to use when pitching this to potential business owners. Now, this is all I'm going to say, and I'm literally going to copy and I'm going to paste this. So I'm going to say, hey, my name is Joe, and I run an online marketing agency, and I have an offer. I'd love to run advertisements for you and your business completely for free, just so I could show you I can deliver results, which is generating you more business. I'm doing this because I want to earn business with you and don't want to waste your time trying to pitch you my services. I hope you consider this offer, and I hope to hear back from you! Exclamation point, smiley face. So especially if you don't have a client right now and you're looking to expand your clientele, the easiest way of getting people in the door, especially business owners, and this is just marketing and life in general, is you always want to present someone a free offer. You want to get their foot in the door by presenting them something free, and then from presenting them something free, you're going to show them the value of everything, and then from there, after you show them the value and after you show them the results, it's going to be a no-brainer that they want to do business with you. So now I'm going to show you how to actually do it. So depending what your niches you're in, and if you haven't decided yet, I have an ebook down below with the top 20 niches completely for free if you want it. If not, that's cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and do one of the niches in that list. So let me go ahead and type it in. So it's going to be chiropractor Vallejo. So all you're going to do is go to, you can do pages, and now what's going to pop up is all the, and then another thing you want to do too is local business or place. Now what's going to pop up is all the chiropractors in my area. So all I'm going to do, make it very simple, easy. I'm going to go through all these people. Oh yeah, Spanish, I don't want to do that. Dallas, Texas. Make sure you double check, because this is Dallas, Texas, and obviously that's not local to my area. So I have people lined up. And another thing too, a little quick hack, if you don't know this, you go to info and ads to see if they're already running advertisements, and obviously this person's not. And another thing you can do too, which is another hack, is see if they have the Facebook pixel installed, because if they don't have a Facebook pixel installed, you could go ahead and follow up by saying, hey, I will install the Facebook pixel completely for free. You could use this extension, Google Chrome extension called Facebook Pixel Helper, and this indicates if they're using a Facebook pixel or not. So this person, I already know by having this Chrome extension, they do not have this installed, and it makes sense because if you go to info and ads, they're not running any ads. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do send message. Now what I'm going to do, go to notes. Boom, boom. All right, cool. So my message just sent. Boom, got that done. Now I'm just gonna completely move on. And the best thing for good practice is you always want to keep a spreadsheet or just like a notes tab of people you hit up in your area, just so you keep things organized. And so you don't follow up with people twice. Always like their page. Give them that time of day. Okay, so as you can see here, same thing. They do not have any info or ads currently working. So what you can do is same exact thing that we did with the last business. Boom. Send that. And same thing with this guy. Make sure you like the page. I'll go like the other one after for this. Same thing. Doesn't have offer anything. Same one available to chat. Cold pitch. Boom. That's done. Info and ads. None. Like, dude, like these people are like literally need so much help. Like, they're leaving so much money on the table by not having any of this set up. Like, this person didn't even have a chat set up, so they're just missing out on so many businesses. And look, Facebook Pixel is not installed here, so they're leaving a lot of money on the table. But obviously this isn't like cold calling, so this would be a perfect people to cold call. I'm gonna actually do it later after this. But yeah, next thing, Kenny Family Chiropractic. So I actually went here before. Let's see if they're running ads. So they're not running ads. So I'm gonna like, send a message. And actually I went to this chiropractic practice before, so I actually sent a personal message saying like, hey, I used to be a client of yours. I love your guys' services. You guys helped me a lot with my back, and I just want to offer something just like that, especially if you know the person. Is super easy. And the last one that we are going to do, info ads. Look, they're not digital marketing for profits. Okay, obviously this is not a chiropractic page, so we're not gonna contact them, but it's literally as simple as this. So contact 100 people, different niches: real estate, dentists, private doctors, surgeons. You contact all those people. I'm telling you, you will land a client. And the most important part when starting a social media marketing agency, Facebook agency, digital marketing agency, they're all the same thing, is getting that testimonial, because that testimonial is your gateway to getting more clientele. So one client I have right now, she's a tax lady. She does taxes for major business owners, and all I have to do is make sure that she has so much, she gets so much value from our services that she recommends it to other business owners, because you know, word of mouth comes around. So after that word of mouth, or that initial couple of clients, after that is literally a gold mine, because now you're getting referrals, and you could do the 2-question close, which is, you know, why online marketing, why now? And next thing you know, they're going to close themselves on it, put them 1K retainer, 2K retainer, 3K retainer, 5K retainer, whatever it is. Next thing you know, you have passive income coming your way. Super cool, super fun, laptop lifestyle, all that fun stuff. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Super quick, super simple, super straight to the point, and I really hope you implement this like legit right now and actually land a client that is a high ticket client and that pays you a lot of money. So go ahead, subscribe to this channel. I post about every other day. Ooh, there we go, perfect. Let's can someone assist me regarding what? So I'll send a text after this, because I kind of know them. Anyway, I'll go straight into it with them a little bit later. But other than that, please like this video. Go ahead and comment down below any struggles, anything you want to learn about Facebook marketing, social media marketing, all that fun stuff. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.